My name is Charlotte Vanhoubroeck. I am an art historian and jewelry artist. I graduated at Ghent University in art history, and I specialized in fashion history and jewelry history of the 19th century. Afterwards, I went for a degree in jewelry, gold and silversmithing at the Académie Beeld Sint-Niklaas in Belgium. And there I realized how fascinated I was by the craft and how its artistic potential could serve my own practice. So I moved to the UK for a postgraduate in silversmithing and jewellery at Bishopsland Educational Trust. And after that, when moving back to Belgium, I went for the Masters Object and Jewellery at Beekselmaat School of Arts in Hasselt. And there I eventually received the wonderful opportunity to go for a PhD in the arts. So I have been one of the lucky PREZIOSA Young 2021 winners. My work has already been displayed in very interesting shows, very interesting galleries, for which I'm very grateful to Lau. My artistic research involves the lost sentimental jewelry of Queen Louise Marie d'Orléans. She was the first queen of Belgium. She lived in the 19th century. Sentimental jewelry pieces are carriers of memories and sentiments, and those sentiments were incorporated into miniature portraits, locks of hair, engravings and so on, and those were very fashionable during the 19th century. And what is so interesting is that these elements are really biographical information. So all of the lost jewelry of Louise Marie still remains interesting, and I really want to reactivate these pieces through archival research. So that's what I'm currently doing in order to bring this forgotten queen closer to the audience of today. I felt very warm-heartedly welcomed by everyone. Joe Carbone, the founder of this place, or the founder of Lau, has made me feel welcome from day one, and also the tutors, the staff, and even the students were very nice to me. So I felt very supported and cared for every day. Near the end of my residency, I was asked to give a 4-day workshop to the second-year students of Lau. Being given this opportunity was very interesting for me, because then I got to try out my own method, the method I've been working on in my PhD. So what I really wanted to show the students was how our own historical heritage can really serve as makers in a very enriching way today. So I developed this playful seminar, which was a mixture of lectures and practical exercises. So we started off the day with discussing historical jewelry pieces in comparison to contemporary pieces. And afterwards, the students were invited to work on their own reactivation case. I've really enjoyed what the students have been doing. They have really shown me how they could make pieces that echo history, yet also relate to their own world and relate to their own style. So that was very nice. Here at Arti Orafe, I decided to zoom in on a few specific pieces that Louise once owned, and those pieces zoom in on her parents. And Louise's mother, Marie-Amélie of Naples and Sicily, was partially of Italian descent, and also Louise was born in Italy, which makes it really interesting to zoom in on these specific jewelry pieces. So being here at Lau, I've already been given a lot of headspace, and that has been very interesting. I have many design ideas. Some of those are already in the making, but I do know that once I will get back to Belgium, I will continue making. So this story is definitely to be continued.